Hi, my name is Brian with Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio, and welcome back to another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com.
So we have a GE front load washer, and the complaint is during the spin cycle that we had a loud noise and also a burning smell and some smoke actually inside the drum. So upon inspection, what I found was our gasket here. Let me pull the piece out here. There's a piece, this piece of the gasket actually came detached from the rest of the gasket and got pulled between the spin basket and the outer tub, and was creating the rubbing noise and also the smoke and the burning smell. It was just the rubber, the friction of the tub spinning on the rubber piece here, creating all the symptoms. So to correct this, we would have to replace our bellows or our gasket on the washer here.
Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com.